Simple science experiments will surprise you. Pour 2 glasses of water. Add a few spoonfuls of salt to one of the cups. Then add the raw eggs. You will find the eggs in the clear water sinking to the bottom of the water. Eggs in the brine floated up. This is the secret of the Dead Sea. Peel the oranges and put them in a water cup. We'll see it sink to the bottom of the water. The whole orange will float up. You know why. Pour half a cup of expired cooking oil. Then pour in an appropriate amount of baby oil. Then put in an ice cube. You will see the ice melt. It's like pearls falling down. This is water and oil cannot be dissolved. And the principle that water is denser than oil. Break the toothpick from the middle. Place it like in a video. Drop a few drops of water in the middle. You'll see toothpicks gathered into 5-pointed stars. This is the principle of surface tension of water. Pour white vinegar into the cup. Put a raw egg. After a while you get a bouncy peeled egg. That is because white vinegar dissolved the eggshell.